Hi, my name is Sandy Osei-Ajman, CEO of Slate Industries. We are excited to introduce to you the newest innovative technology, Switch. Go straight or natural, chemical-free. I'm going to share with you with this video 3 easy steps to take your natural hair to a relaxed look, straight hair that is reversible, that you can always go back to your natural without using any relaxer chemicals or any chemicals at all. To start, we have the Switch product, which contains sulfate-free deep cleanse shampoo. That's step 1. Step 2 has the smoothing treatment, and the step 3 has the heat protectant leave-in spray. There is a step 4, but that one is used when you do your maintenance after the initial treatment. How do you do it? First, when your client comes to the salon, because you look at the hair, you break it down, you test it, whatever you do before you start. Then you take them to the shampoo bowl and you shampoo the hair thoroughly, at least 2 or 3 times, to make sure you eliminate all buildup from the hair and make sure it's squeaky clean, as you see the lady doing. Once you're done shampooing, you towel blot completely, because you want to remove any excess water that might be in the hair, because you don't want to put a smoothing treatment in the hair while it's still damp. You prevent the product from penetrating completely. So you towel blot the excess hair completely dry. And once you're done, you bring the client back to your styling chair. Then you start the step 2 process, which is to part the hair into 4 sections or 4 quadrants. And once you're done, you take your color bowl, pour in the needed amount of the smoothing treatment, and you take your color brush, and then going from section to section, you apply the smoothing treatment to each section. What you'll notice is that as you apply, the hair will start foaming. That will show you that at least the product is being absorbed into the hair. Cover the whole 4 quadrants. Once you're done, then you massage the hair for about 5 minutes to make sure that you cover from ends to the roots or from the roots to the end, that the smoothing treatment has completely saturated the hair. Please don't make sure the hair is not dry in the process. If you appear dry in some area, go back and put some of the smoothing treatment in. After you massage the hair for about 5 minutes, now this is important. Depending on the type of hair that you have, the client will have to sit without doing anything to the hair. For color treated or fine hair, they will have to sit with the smoothing treatment in the hair from 10 to 15 minutes only. If it's a normal hair, they have to sit from 20 to 25 minutes. For coarse hair, which is very, very, very important, let them sit with the smoothing treatment in the hair from 30 to 40 minutes. The longer it stays, the more it gets absorbed, the better your results will be. After the period, you go back to the shampoo bowl and rinse it out. Again, rinse completely out of the hair. Once you're done rinsing the smoothing treatment from the hair, you bring them back to the styling chair, towel blot completely, so that there's no excess water. Then you go to the step 3. What you notice is that from the beginning to the end of step 2, you see that the hair is stronger. You won't see any single breakage of the hair at all. Then once they're in the chair, you start the step 3, which is to blow dry the hair. Again, to make it easier, you can section the hair into 4 parts and blow dry each section straight. Blow dry straight down, as you would any blow dry. Don't try to blow dry every which way. Blow dry is straight, like you're trying to stretch the hair. Once you're done blow drying, you take the step 3, which is a heat protectant leave-in spray, and spray it on the hair, all over the hair. Don't saturate it, just spray it to cover the whole hair. And after that, you get your flat iron. The flat iron must be hot, maybe between 450 and 475 degrees, just very hot. And then take a thin section of the hair and flat iron it. Thin section of the hair till you cover the hair. You will see the hair is getting straighter and straighter. Each pass should be about 4 or 5 times. So if you take the small section, you flat iron it, go over it about 4 to 5 times of each strand. Complete the hair in this fashion. When you're done, you see that you get a very silky straight hair. The beautiful thing is that you haven't used any chemical to get your relaxed look. After you're done, you can style it. And then the only time what will happen is this: for maintenance, you can use any light oil. Okay, you can use our MVP all butter leave-in conditioner. You can use our MVP oil sheen spray. You can use our MVP moisturizing oil, scented oil. You can use any light oil. It's advisable not to use leave-in conditioner, which is water-based or moisture-based at least. So that's your straight look. In the night, let me say a few things about maintenance. With your straight hair, when you go home in the night, you can use rollers to roll it, or you can wrap it and sleep. But when you wake up the next morning and you see that the ends are a little bit like it's not as straight as you want, just take the flat iron and press on it. It will get straight again. You do the same thing to the ends to get it straight. That's how you maintain your straight look. Then you can style like you style any relaxed hair. In a week's time, when they come back to the salon, now we're going to the maintenance product. By the way, anytime water gets into the hair, you get your natural hair back, very natural like it was before. It's just that it's much more stronger. And then a week's time, when you shampoo the hair, you can use a conditioning mask, which is also in the kit box. Condition the hair for about 10-15 minutes, rinse it out, and then proceed to blow dry, get your straight, relaxed look back. This will stay in the hair 4 to 6 weeks. So after 4 to 6 weeks, the client can come back and you can start the whole 3 process again. So that's how you achieve your go straight, go natural.